Tara, try natin yan dito. Ako naman dito, sige. Try lang natin.
Ano naman yan?
Hindi ko alam. It like a local. What's that? What's this? What's that?
It's delicious.
Delicious. What's that?
Yeah. This is something. This fish
Fish?
with style Korean style.
Okay, yeah, we will try. We will try. I trust you.
Yes. En quesadillas, en tostada.
Just like that. Yeah, one only. Yeah.
Where are you from?
In the Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah, Filipino. Sorry.
Order with spicy.
With spicy. A little spicy. Alright. You local here?
Come from
Mexico
Mexico City.
City, yeah. We're traveling here.
Yes.
Wow, nice. Is it good?
Yeah, that's
Very nice, man.
the seafood is fresh.
Very fresh. Oh, yeah.
They take it in the morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Nice. How much is it? Sorry, I didn't ask. How much?
Yes, I think so.
In US dollars.
¿Cuál es tiradito? 180 pesos.
In US dollars, USD.
Dólar serían
60, 65. No.
$12. Yeah. Alright. Very nice, very nice. Oh, tikman mo rin dito.
parang hilaw, parang kinilaw.
Parang kinilaw nga. Okay. Ito yung dapat yun eh. Ganyan yan. Dito pre, tikman mo.
Tingin ka rito.
Ganda. Ganyan siya oh. May avocado, may ganyan isda. May ganito oh. Good. Very nice. Delicious, yeah.
It's fresh.
Yes, bro.
They take it in the morning.
Pre, kain ka lang kain, pre. Kain lang ng kain, pre. Di pa uwi na nga sila din, di ba? Tingnan natin lahat ng mga sausawan nila. So, ano naman to?